Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is RJ Monica. I am here at Hey guys, good morning from Jamaica. It's only 5:30 in the morning, but the sun is already rising here and it's really bright. Yesterday we landed in Kingston around 3 p.m. and then we started off to Negril. The plan was to come to Negril before 8 p.m. But then we had some mishaps and the road wasn't perfect. The road wasn't good at all. And also the traffic was terrible, so we couldn't make it. We reached here around 9:30 maybe. I was waiting to see the beach in the morning, so the first thing I did is to come up to the beach and then say hi to the beach, and I'm waiting for the sun to show up so that the color will pop. I really want to talk about our road trip from Kingston to Negril. Kingston to Negril, it's not that kind of touristry. So the plan was to see that, the non-touristy part of Jamaica. Actually, I should have listened to the reviews. The reviews were really bad. People said that you shouldn't travel in that road. It's going to be not a nice experience. The road wasn't good. The road was terrible actually, and then the traffic was bad. And also there was potholes everywhere. Being an Indian, I thought I can manage in these roads, but then it was really bad. I'm just telling you guys, if you guys are going to take your car rental, just go land in Montego Bay and then you can drive around Montego Bay, Negril and Ocho Rios, but not from Kingston to anywhere. Maybe from Kingston to Ocho Rios is better, I guess. I don't know. I'll let you know after, because I'm going to go all the way around this island. We're going to go to the Montego Bay and then to the Ocho Rios and then back to the Kingston. So I'm going to explore all the proper roads of Jamaica. I will let you know, guys, how it is going to be. And by the time I was talking, in like 2 or 3 minutes, the sun is already hitting there. The sunrise is happening there and the sun is hitting here. You can see the small orangish color there. Amazing. Morning I was chilling at the beach, and then right now I'm here at this Sunrise Club where I'm going to have pizza for my lunch, and then we are heading to this cruise which is happening at 1:45. So we have booked everything through Viator so that they'll pick us up in the hotel and then they drop us back at the hotel. Vibes here just literally screams island life. It's really visible. It's all green. It's so good. And then I'm having pizza for my lunch. It's kind of a different vibe. I'm staying at this place called Travelers Beach at Negril. I am happy that I booked that resort because everything is amazing. The beach is very close by and it is located in the famous 7 Mile beach. So it's so good, and it's really close to some important cafes and restaurants. About my first impressions of Jamaica. The road trip from Kingston to Negril, didn't expect to be the one which I was thinking. So it wasn't great. It was really a bad experience for us. To coming to Negril, we just checked into the hotel and then from there everything has been smooth right now. But one thing that really bothers me is everything is really expensive over here. Pasta which I was going to order was about $25. So it's kind of expensive than US. I sort of think so. Right now my pizza is waiting, so I'll go have that and then we'll check out the cruise. pizza was amazing. Everything was fresh. That's the main important thing about it. I would say, I mean, for a 12-inch pizza, it's around $26. So that's how expensive, or that's how it is in Jamaica. And the music and the food, everything was good. I loved it. And now I'm going to head to my hotel. So I'm waiting for the guy to pick us up for the cruise. And I'm excited about the cruise too. Let's go. And we're here at the Margaritaville Hotel. So from here, they're going to take us to this ferry stop. And then we're going to board the cruise from there. It looks like it's gonna rain. I can see some scattered clouds. Okay, let's see. There's a big line up here. We booked it through Viator. You can even book it right up in your hotel or get your guide or any other. It's pretty similar everywhere, the same price. Yeah, man.
What you say? What you say? What you say? What you say?
Her name is Monica, that's why she's
Monica. Monica. Gonna turn up, okay? Yeah, man. Remember your 10% inside, alright?
sure. Yeah.
Okay.
See if people want to.
Bye. Thank you. So while we were snorkeling, it was raining and then we couldn't see much of the wildlife. But then we got lucky with 3 dolphins just swam by us. And after that, it got crazy. The rain was there. And then we came to this Rick's Cafe, which is, I don't know, which is behind me. We came to this place and then they dropped us here and we got 1 hour here. This is quite a happening place, guys. If you love party vibe and if you love to be around some music and fun, this is the place you have to check out because this is amazing. Since it was raining and drizzling, I couldn't get much of it, but glad I am in Negril tomorrow. And my hotel is also located 10 to 15 minutes from this cafe, so I'm planning to visit tomorrow. And the most important thing about Rick's Cafe is the sunset. They used to say the sunsets are the beautiful, but then it was raining and drizzling. When we got into the boat again to get back to the hotel, the sun is slightly showing up. I hope it's a better show. If it is, I would be the happiest. Or else, I'm coming here tomorrow, and I guess it would be an amazing day as today. And about this cruise trip, it was also a really fun experience. The same, it has the full pack Jamaica vibe with some drinks, dance, and some snorkeling and sea activities, which is really good. So I booked it through Viator. So if you want, you can book it to Viator or get your guide. That should be enough, I guess. And right now, my husband is chilling, and I am looking out for the sun to come out. Let's see. Hey guys, good morning. It's day 3 at Negril. So, morning we just woke up and went to chill by the beach, and we had a good swim there, and then we're here for the breakfast. So this is the last day here. I'm really sad that I'm leaving, but then I'm going to another place nearby Montego Bay, which is the most touristy place in Jamaica. People will get down in Montego Bay airport, and then they'll do a day trip to Negril. But then I did the opposite way because I wanted to see the non-touristy places of Jamaica too, which is from Kingston to Negril. And so we drove to this place, and then Negril was amazing. Actually, this is the Memorial Day weekend, and I thought this place is going to be packed, but then it wasn't. Breakfast and dinner or lunch place, whatever it is, you can have your food with a view. Amazing. Since it is located on the 7 Mile beach, if you want to do some water activities, I'll ask you whether you want to try that. And if you want, you can jump in. You can do parasailing, bumper ride, and also they take you to the snorkeling trip to the reef nearby. I did in the cruise, right? So I didn't do the snorkeling trip. So the boats over there, you can choose one of them and then you can do. And this Travelers Beach Resort, this needs a mention because we had an amazing stay here, and the food and the experience and the people and the staff and everyone was really nice to us. And then we had an amazing and relaxing stay. If you are planning to Negril, I can recommend you this place. And there are many restaurants throughout this 7 Mile Beach. You can choose any one of those for your vacation. Look at this beauty. The plan for today is to go to Montego Bay. We wanted to go to Ocho Rios, another place. So we'll be spending the day at Montego Bay and then we'll be staying overnight in Ocho Rios. So let's go.